Today is Friday, the 23rd of September 2022. This is Eugene at the Man Organic Farm, Lincoln, Nebraska. It's harvesting day. Ha 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 ha. The happiest day for a farmer is harvesting day. So today is harvesting day for the green beans. What we call in Cameroon Koki beans. So look at, I have how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows of Koki beans. My experiment came out real good. I am happy. The seeds came from Bonadikombo, my 4. Yes, my sister Rose Ito Nkumbe sent me these seeds of the Koki beans. See, all the way back there, all the way this way. You see Koki beans, rows and rows of Koki beans. Look at, the Lord has been good to me. The Lord has been gracious to me this year. So who said you cannot grow Koki beans in a commercial scale? Look at the quantity of Koki beans that I have here. And these are what, 6 rows of beds. I'm sure of a bag, a 50-kilogram bag of Koki beans when they are dried. So in Cameroon, there's a lot of Koki beans, and it will fetch the farmer a handsome amount of money. So don't sit there and say, oh, I can't grow the African vegetables abroad. This is proof that you can grow any African vegetable here in the United States. All it takes is good soil, organic soil like mine, with lots of compost, a good irrigation system to water the plants, and tender loving care from the farmer. You make sure that you weed your crops, you mulch them, and enough sunlight, enough rain, water from irrigation, and then with the help of God, bingo. Here, this is the green beans, what you call in Cameroon Koki beans. Another happy day, another successful harvest day for me at the Man Organic Farms, Lincoln, Nebraska. Thank you for watching.